Marami kang pupuntahan ngayon, of course, the iconic spots. Ayun, samahan nyo kami. Tingnan mo yan. Ang ganda ng lighting natin. Tingnan nyo, parang ang ganda. We made it here, guys. Good morning, guys. It's officially our first day here in Singapore, and we had like 7 to 8 hours full of sleep. So ngayon it's already 10:40. Nagising ako like 10 a.m. And yun nga, sabi ko nga kagabi is that for this trip, this is my first time traveling with only a backpack. So literally a backpack for carry-on. Hindi ako sumobra ng 7 kilos kasi yun lang yung baggage allowance for a hand carry. Hindi na ako nag-add on. But definitely, this is 7 days worth of damit at saka yung mga essentials. Hindi ko na nakabihis na and we're ready for Singapore. Let's go! So, ayan yung hotel. Hotel 81. Yeah, it's 500 meters from Aljunied Station. Train station, so papunta kami doon. Marami kang pupuntahan ngayon, of course, the iconic spots. And, ayun, samahan nyo kami. So, ang ganda din naman ng hotel na to. Yung neighborhood lang naman yung view dito. Ayan. Pero ang ganda ng lighting, ha? Tingnan mo yan. Ang ganda ng lighting natin. Ang ganda din kasi ng colors ng buildings, like pastel colors. Yan lang. Let's go! Ang daming mga stores din nearby. Meron mga local restaurants like this one. I'm not sure lang kung... Ayan, mura lang din. As shown sa price, ranging from $5 Singaporean dollars to 10. Maraming stores din dito. Sobrang lapit lang. Another restaurant. Yung dinadaanan namin literally are mga local restaurants. Ang daming options kayo makakainan dito. Ang chill lang ng vibes, guys. Like, ayan o, ang ganda din ang lighting. Merong restaurant din doon. I believe that's like more on seafood kasi may crab. Hopefully we get to try Singaporean crab, no? I know it's expensive, but we'll see. Yeah, actually, ang dami talaga. They have like, Chinese cuisine, Chinese food, assorted. Sobrang linis ng Singapore. Like, what I really appreciate about other countries is that yung quality of air nila, even though it's a city, hindi siya maalikabok, hindi siya like maputik. Sobrang linis. Like, look at yung kalsada nila. Walang parang putik-putik. Hindi siya dusty. Kahit nasa city to ha, ang daming mga sasakyan. And I believe hindi naman lahat ng sasakyan dito is electric car. Kaya when you travel, mako-compare, hindi mo talaga maiwasan na mako-compare yung Philippines to the countries that you're visiting. Kasi ang laki ng difference. Tingnan nyo, may ukay-ukay din dito. Pero parang ganda pa din ang lighting niya, diffused. Iba talaga yung lighting ng Philippines. I don't know why, no? Ayan, this is Ariel's second time. Last time, nag-stay siya dito, ang tagal.
A lot of people are saying Singapore are just similar to Philippines, pero ang layo.
Yeah, sobrang layo. Ang peaceful din dito. Oh.
Dito, may pathwalk sa Philippines.
Yeah. Meron dinadaanan talaga yung mga tao, guys. Hindi ka nakipag bardagulan sa mga sasakyan.
Ay, ang daming trees dito sa Singapore.
Yan. So far, hindi pa naman ako pinagpawisan. Kahit meron akong parang sleeveless na hoodie tsaka t-shirt. Inside, mainit siya pero may hangin. Actually, hindi ako pinawisan kahit mainit. No joke yan, ha. I don't know why. Pero here, andito yung system map nila ng train. So we'll just try to figure out kung anong train yung sasakyan namin. Ayan. Meron din dito bus services and other MRT stations. So we're here guys sa Aljunied Station. I don't know if Aljunied? Ay, Aljunied. Aljunied. So ate, you're here. So isang rail lang, hindi na kami maglilipat. Green lang. Papuntang Tanjung Pagar. So ayan guys. So here sa train, hindi na kami bibili ng yung C-Pass. C-Pass ba tawag yan? EasyLink CE Pass. So I'm going to use my GCash Visa card. It's a battle between GoTime and GCash. Yung GCash card ko is this is like a special release in partnership with Klook. Kaya meron siyang GCash in partnership with Klook, but this is the same as the GCash Visa card. Ayan, so let's go. So yan guys, nandito na kami. Both cards are working naman. For me, I'm using my GCash Visa card and Ariel is using his GoTime Visa card. So both cards are working naman. We'll update you later pag nakita namin sa app kung how much yung chinarge GCash versus GoTime. Successfully used my GCash Visa card for the train. Later, we will share kung magkano yung lumabas na charge sa GCash Visa at saka sa GoTime. Nakalabas na kami sa station. Actually, ang daming green sa city na to. Like, even this building. Wow. Tingnan na. Like, ang daming tanim, ang daming plants, ang daming green. And ang amazing lang ng building na to, it has like plants sa wall niya. I think that's what you call like green architecture. Yan. But tingnan nyo, parang ang ganda. We're going to Hawker. Hawker, complete name yet? Hawker Center. Para siyang Chinatown, or I guess that's Chinatown. And update, pinagpawisan na ako. Guys, so we arrived here sa Hawker. This is like the China complex. Chinatown complex. Meron din mga Michelin recommended food here. Ayan, sobrang laki ng place na to, so ang dami yung pagpipilian. But we're going to look for the best. Guys, we're trying this. I forgot the name, but I'll just flash the name kung anong tawag niya. But these are Michelin recommended food like of 2024. Let's try this one first. This is spicy, so good luck to me. Spicy. Konting spicy lang. Good for starters. Try the other one, yung parang cups. It's good, but I like yung may spice, yung spicy sa order ko kanina. Very refreshing dragon fruit.
Yeah, so far, yung
This one's duck. Parang siyang cold cuts na duck. Soy sauce chicken. Sobrang busog guys, promise. Alright guys, we're done with our lunch. It took us like several hours there. So pabalik na kami dun sa station, train station earlier, kasi yun yung station papuntang Merlion din, or Merlion Mandani Bay, Marina Bay. papuntang Marina Bay, naging Cebu no Mandani Bay. Papunta at pabalik pala, nadadaanan na ditong Maxwell Food Center. Mura lang din yung mga food dito. Ayan. We're now here sa Raffles Place. Unfortunately, it's raining. So hindi namin mapupuntahan yung Merlion. But look at the view. Ayan. Hindi kami makapag-explore talaga. Especially we don't have umbrella with us. We made it here, guys. The Marina Sands, the Merlion, the Marina Bay. BCC Ariel dun, no? Pizza. Ayan na siya, guys. The very iconic Merlion. This is the Helix Bridge, guys. Mayroong tinatrabaho dito ngayon. And then, ayan, this is the Helix Bridge. So we're going to the gardens by the bay. Wow. Wowers. Kaso lang may tinatrabaho sa baba, but from here, ang ganda ng view. And here, this is the view. And buti tumigil na yung ulan. So we'll just keep on walking until we reach the gardens by the bay. Guys, so we're going to yung famous na elevator shot din dito sa Singapore. If Taiwan has the famous like escalator shot dun sa Taipei 101, meron din dito sa Marina Bay Sands. So hinahanap namin ngayon. We're currently here sa Marina Bay Sands Shops. Ang ganda ng mall na to, guys. Daming luxury brands din. Ayan. Mas maganda dito oh my god. Andito yung famous utensils or spoon and fork set ni Becca Bloom and Egg. Look. Sorry. Oh my, it's $6,650. I think that's Singaporean dollars. Ayun, so isa din yun sa luxury brand dito, guys. Ayan din yung VCA, Van Cleef and Arpels. Kanina may Dior, may Miu Miu. Ano pa ba? Mott 32. I think that's a restaurant. Meron dyan, meron Mott 32 sa Cebu. Cartier. Kenzo Paris, Louis Vuitton. Ang dami, andito lahat, guys. Ay, ang ganda din ng design. Makapunta tayo dun sa sikat na escalator kung saan may magandang view ng Garden by the Bay Sands. Ayun. Hanapin nyo yung Chanel, tapos sa may exit sa may Chanel, go straight to the exit. And pagka-exit nyo, mismo dyan kayo exit, dyan sa kabila dyan, hanapin nyo tong elevator na to. This is a lift going to the Garden Bay Bridge. So doon tayo tatawid. Yan yung Garden by the Bay Bridge. Tatawid tayo the other side. Ano para sa inyo to, guys? We're documenting everything para my guide. Okay, we're going to the 4th floor. Ayan, we're here. Ang ganda din dito. Ayan. That's the bridge. Tayo sa other side ng Marina Bay Sands. So etong bridge na to, it connects through the Marina Bay Sands. And I think konting lakad pa straight doon, makikita natin yung escalator. Kasi from the escalator, maganda yung kuhang-kuha siya sa video. So galing doon sa bridge, bumaba lang kami, going up to that escalator. So yun yung mga nagva-viral na travel video. Same dun sa Taiwan. And of course, nakapag-video na kami dun sa escalator, guys. And connected lang to lahat. Andyan na yung Gardens by the Bay. Andito na tayo, guys, sa Dragonfly Bridge sa Gardens by the Bay. Ang ganda ng mga plants dito, guys. Like, sobrang lush. And alam mo, hindi siya yung kusang tumutubo lang. Tinanim talaga siya. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Alright guys, so we're going to follow another TikTok instructions in order to get the best view na wala masyadong tao. Left, mani, 2 lefts. Ang lamig dito, guys. Ang ganda ng ang daming trees. Yeah! Ariel! Sometimes, guys, pag dalawa talaga kayo, you have, of course, different kind ng idea, different kind ng thoughts. Sometimes, may inis ka lang. But, yeah, that's it. Ayan. At the end of the day, same lang pala yung patutunguhan. Dito, that's why yung siya, when you see rock, stop by. 2 left turns and 1 right. So this is the spot, guys. Totoo nga naman, walang masyadong tao. From here, just look for the elevator. Yung B, go to the next level. Then, puntahan nyo lang to. Yung go to, once you go out from the elevator, turn left. May stairs, turn left. And then, once nasa dulo na kayo parang ganitong railings, turn right. Tapos pag straight lang kayo mag-right papunta dito, then this is it. This is your view. Video and picture naman kami. I think that was enough for TikTok. So if hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa TikTok ko, you can watch my video there. My TikTok is MJ Salaga. Yan. So babalik kami dito later tonight kasi merong show. That show features like yung mga lighting sa trees na to. Ang tawag ulit ng trees na to eh? Ha? Super Groom. What? Groove? Oh, Super Groove. Guys, so nagpapahinga muna kami. And then, dahil sobrang uhaw ko na, I got this coconut juice. Actually, naubos ko na with coconut flesh. And this is for $7.50 Singaporean dollars for a coconut juice. What? Sobrang mahal. So yun guys, we're now going to Cloud Forest. Thank you. We're now going to Cloud Forest. I'm not sure if narinig nyo ako kasi medyo maingay ngayon, but we got our ticket via Klook na. So diretso na kami. You don't need to claim your tickets. Just show your QR code upon entry. Thank you. So ganun lang ka-easy. Book on Klook with my Klook promo code MJS Klook. Welcome to Cloud Forest. Wow. Look at that. You know what guys, ang lamig dito, I think because of the waterfall. Ang sarap ng hangin. So dito sa Cloud Forest, yung theme niya is may mga dinosaur. Ang galing ng pagkagawa. Like it's parang siyang indoor forest, ganun. Kasi nasa loob siya ng dome na to. Wow. Look at the plants there guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng mga plants. And lahat yan totoong plants. Hindi siya plastic or artificial. Grabe. Sobrang lush. sobrang healthy din ng mga plants. I don't know paano na preserve to. And you're not allowed to touch the plants. Grabe, ang ganda. For those, yung mga plantitos at plantitas, sobrang magugustuhan nyo dito. And I'm pretty sure some of the plants ma-recognize nyo. Pero ako, I'm not into plants, so I have no idea kung ano mga plants to. Pero sobrang nakaka-amaze lang. Look at the plants. Sobrang green talaga, guys. Ang ganda. Look at here. And guys, so nasa pinakataas na tayo. This is what they call the Lost World. Ayan. May mga souvenirs dyan. So we made it through the cloud forest. So we're going back to the gardens by the bay kasi merong show. Hopefully mabutan pa namin. So that ends our day 1, guys. We're now going back to our hotel. So doon sa area na pinakita ko kanina, like yung maraming local restaurants doon na kami mag-dinner. Dinner! Yun yung kutsara nila, guys. This serving is 8 Singaporean dollars. Malaki din. I think this is good for sharing the size. Good for 2. And yung sobra namin kaninang lunch. Ayan. Then tomorrow is Universal Studios Singapore.